Hey there, Roblox enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick and easy tutorial. Today, we're diving into how to turn off UI navigation in Roblox for 2025. If you're tired of accidental menu pops or want a more streamlined gaming experience, this guide is perfect for you. UI navigation in Roblox can sometimes get in the way, especially if you're deep into building or playing. By the end of this video, you'll have it turned off in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're running the latest version of Roblox from 2025. This feature might have been updated, so updates are key. Start by launching the Roblox app on your device, whether it's PC, mobile, or console. Once you're in, head to the main menu. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner. That's your settings button. Click on it to open the settings menu. Now, in the settings menu, navigate to the Interface or Accessibility tab. This is where Roblox keeps options for customizing your user interface. Scroll down until you find the UI navigation setting. It might be labeled as Enable UI Navigation or something similar. Keep an eye out for that. Once you spot it, simply toggle the switch to the off position. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and confirm your choice. After that, exit the settings menu and test it out in a game. Try navigating with your controller or keyboard to ensure the UI elements aren't interfering anymore. If everything looks good, you're all set. Remember, turning this off can make your gameplay smoother, but if you need it back, just reverse the steps. That's it for this tutorial, super straightforward, right? If you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more Roblox tips, and don't forget to like and comment if this helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Keep gaming.